Welcome back. We're going to take a quick look at Bitcoin coming in at number 1. So what's been happening in the world of crypto? Yeah, if anything, decrypt.co. So if anything, Elon Musk and Twitter, Dogecoin has been the story of last week. Dogecoin has risen, I think, more than 100% if I'm not wrong. Where's Dogecoin? Dogecoin is at number 8. Dogecoin was actually at number 10. Now it's at number 8. So we'll be getting through it today. So it's very interesting. Very interesting stuff happening in the world of Elon Musk, right? Anyway, we're going to be doing Bitcoin first. So let's get straight into Bitcoin. Last week we were saying that, will BTC break the skinny pink line? Or will we revisit the support? So eventually what happened to Bitcoin? We zoomed into the 4 hour. Was that we broke the skinny pink line. You see it here? Pew, we're out. So right now we're in some sort of a dip. I suspect that we are not done yet. If anything, this is a 1. We came down for a 2. We're up for a 3. You see that? Then I think we're going to consolidate for a 4. And then we go up for a 5. So the only question I have is, how long will the 5 be? Will the 5 be so long that we take out the highs over here? Or will the 5 be, stopping short of taking out the highs and then we start coming back down towards the support? Yes, I'm still biased bearish for Bitcoin at this point of time. If you look at Bitcoin on the bigger time frame, on the daily, you will see that Bitcoin is still in a bearish trend. We're still largely bearish. We still have another target over here at sub 16k, but my fear for Bitcoin is that the possibility we could see Bitcoin form a very high quality descending triangle, and we could get targets beyond sub 16k, probably heading into sub 14k, maybe 13k plus, around that number. So this is actually Bitcoin, the wheels of Bitcoin building, consolidating to pull the price lower, more likely than not, right? Of course, I could be wrong, but we're not exactly rising with great volume, great buying pressure towards the upside, like what happened for Dogecoin. We are not seeing that on Bitcoin yet. And I kid you not, even for Dogecoin, Bitcoin could still, if Bitcoin really does fall, it could pull Dogecoin all the way back down to square one. And square one could be, I think it's 8 cents if I'm not wrong, right? We've really, was it 8 or 7 cents? I don't know. The point is that Dogecoin could be pulled all the way back down as well. Because everything depends upon Bitcoin. Again, still doesn't change the fact that there is huge volume, right, on Binance. Huge volume. So the end may not be too far away, but I don't think this is the bottom. Right, no, this is the bottom. So I don't think this is the bottom. 17.7k. I really don't think this is the bottom. To me, right, at this point of time, I just don't think it is. I think more likely than not, so we should be heading lower, at least 16k, if not lower, before we see any sort of a reversal chart pattern. That is my opinion at this point of time. Of course, I could be wrong, but the rally is so weak. It's so weak. If you look at it on a daily, it's like, it's so weak, right? It's not something like this, super duper spike. We're not getting that. This is such a weak rally. So if anything, I would still be expecting more downside for Bitcoin, and I would love to still, I've been shorting, but the timing has been a little bit off because there's just no volatility. Usually when things go sideways, traders, especially swing traders, get wrecked. You return your profits towards the market when things go sideways. This is just how life is. Not everything goes according to plan. Of course, there are outliers like Dogecoin. Obviously, there are outliers, but we are talking about Bitcoin, and to trade Bitcoin, it's quite difficult at this point of time, right? And if you are a institutional investor or a hedge fund manager and you have hundreds of millions at your disposal, the only coin that you can safely trade is actually Bitcoin. The only coin that is liquid enough. So Bitcoin is actually the king of direction, and the direction is still down to me for Bitcoin. I know I am such a negative Nancy and all, but I just don't see the bullish reversal yet. We will know that things are going to turn bullish if we see a very high quality, like for example way back in 2019, a high quality, there was a very nice symmetrical triangle, and there was also an ascending triangle over here that signified a potential bullish reversal and the bullish pressure that came in over here, right? These are the signs that things are turning back towards the bullish side of things, but I just don't see it yet over here. So be careful, be very careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Bitcoin, right? Let's look at Bitcoin dominance. Hang on. Bitcoin dominance, yeah, it's still not really looking that good. This looks like as if it's a it's a lower, I mean, it's a series of lower highs, right? Sorry, lower lows, and it's also lower highs as well. So this could be a surprise move towards the upside as well. But long term, Bitcoin's dominance is not good in the sense that, yeah, this is really a very big mountain, right? We could dip a little bit lower to complete the bottom of the mountain. We could still rise higher. We could still have a surprise rally, check out the highs over here, and then, yeah, continue dropping lower for Bitcoin. Something like that, and continue staying under the skinny pink line. The point is, right now, Bitcoin is just not really looking that good. So, yeah, be careful about going into a trade too soon for Bitcoin. Yes, we are aware that there's a significant volume, and usually volume is a very good indicator of potential reversals, right? Huge volume that came in over here, bottom of the move, right? Huge volume came in, right? Top of the move, huge volume came in, bottom of the move. You see that? Huge volume right here and here, top of the move, right? Almost not exactly, but close to the top. And after that, we crash, and look at this volume. Insane. We've never experienced such volume before. So the end may not be too far away, right? This is the silver lining of the potential, I mean, more downside for Bitcoin. And I could count 1, 2, 3, 4. There has to be another one. More likely than not, there should be another one. 5 away, 5 down, and sub 16k will be perfect. But we'll see how it goes, right? We'll see how it goes. All right, I guess that's it for my Bitcoin technical analysis. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next video. All right, see you. Ta-da.